Shut the fuck up. I heard you want your country back. You can't have that. I heard you want your country back. Shut the fuck up. I heard you want your country back. Oh shit, me too. You stole it right out of my hands and pulled the rug right under my feet. I'm Nat Turner meets Nat King Cole, a well-dressed brother with a revolution in my soul. We the people in the street, got the gammons on retreat, and their blood boils over when we speak, so let it be heard. We ain't wasting a scrap when we eat, and when we come for it, then we coming to keep. I heard you want your country back. Ha! Shut the fuck up. I heard you want your country back. You can't have that. I heard you want your country back. Ha! Shut the fuck up. I heard you want your country back. Well shit, me too. I heard you want your country back. Shut the fuck up. I heard you want your country back. You can't have that. The only place I know, stolen right under my nose by ignorant scum, trying to lay claim to a land that ain't theirs anyway. Wait, what did you say? I heard you want your country back.